Hi, I am Devjani Nath. Welcome back to my channel Craft Addict. Today in this episode, I am going to show you how to crochet this moon motif granny square. This is absolutely a fun project and I have already made once sun motif granny square and star motif granny square. If you don't know how to make, please check out my previous videos. You will get star and sun motif granny square also. Now, thank you to all my subscribers. You inspired me to bring new videos for you. If you like my videos, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell button so that you can get the notification early. I shall leave all the information in the description box below. Do like, share and comments. I will try my best to answer you. So grab your hook and let's get started. For this project, I am going to use these 3 color of yarn, and these are all 100% cotton yarn, 4-ply knitting yarn from Magic Needles and very soft yarn, and I'll be using 3mm crochet hook and a pair of scissors, darning needle, and you may use also a stitch marker. I'm going to start with a magic ring and I'm making my magic ring in this way. If you don't know how to make the magic ring, please check out my previous videos. Now in this magic ring, make chain 2, and this chain 2 will be counted as 1 half double crochet, and make 8 more half double crochet into this magic ring. 3, 4, 'Now I have 9 half double crochet. Now pull the yarn and close the circle. Now join with the slip stitch to the top of the chain 2, and I'm going to start the next round. Make chain 1, and the next round I'm going to make chain 3 and another double crochet in the same chain. So in this round we will make 2 double crochet in each of the stitches. So at the end of this round we should have 18 double crochet stitches. Now repeat this pattern, making 2 double crochet in each stitch, and complete this round. Now I have completed this round and I have 18 double crochet stitches, and join with the slip stitch to the first stitch, chain 1, and now cut off the yarn. Now you can see I have made 2 rounds and I have now 18 double crochet stitches in this circle, and I'm going to add another color here, yellow color, and you can start from any stitch. So now pull the yarn through any stitch. Make chain 1 and 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and now make 2 half double crochet in the next stitch. Now in the next stitch make 1 half double crochet and 2 double crochet. And in the next stitch make 1 double crochet and 2 triple crochet. 1 double crochet and 2 triple crochet. Now in the next stitch, this is how it looks. In this next stitch make 3 triple crochet. Now we will make exactly the same, the mirror image. Again in the next stitch I am going to make 3 triple crochet. And the next stitch make 2 triple crochet and 1 double crochet. And in the next stitch make 2 double crochet and 1 half double crochet. In the next stitch make 2 double crochet, 2 half double crochet. In the next stitch make 1 single crochet. Then in the next make 1 slip stitch. Now chain 1, cut off the yarn. Now this is how it looks now. It looks like a crescent moon. Now I am going to make a square shape around this circle, and I am going to show you how to make this. Now in this round I am going to add this blue yarn, and we will start from the stitch I am showing you, and this is the last single crochet, and then after that skip 1 stitch, and then in the next stitch we will start from here. We will start our next round from here. With the blue yarn make chain 3, grab the yarn, pull through and make chain 3 and 1 triple crochet in the same stitch. Make chain 3 and 2 triple crochet in the same stitch. Now in the next stitch make another triple crochet, and in the next 5 stitches I am going to make 5 double crochet. Now you can see I have started with the corner of the square. then 1 triple crochet, then 5 double crochet. Then in the next stitch I'm going to make another triple crochet and then make another corner here in the next stitch, that is 2 triple crochet, chain 3, 2 triple crochet in the same stitch. And now continue to repeat this pattern in the next 3 sides. In the next stitch make 1 triple crochet, then 5 double crochet in the next 5 stitches, and then another triple crochet and then 1 corner. So go on, continue this pattern and complete the round. Now join with the slip stitch to the first stitch and chain 1, cut off the yarn. At the end of round 4 it will look like this, how I am getting the square shape. Now I am going to start the 5th round with the black yarn. Grab the yarn and make chain 3 and another double crochet in the same space, chain 2 and then 2 more double crochet in the chain 3 space. So this is one corner, and now I am going to make simple, very simple. I am going to make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches, and don't forget your first stitch mark. This is your first stitch. Make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches to the other corner. Make 1 double crochet in each stitch. You can make 1 round of double crochet also. I am here going to make 2 rounds. Coming to the next corner, and here in the chain 3 space make 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, that is another corner, And now again make 1 double crochet in each of the stitches and don't miss your first stitch. Complete this round in this way. Now I have completed the second round and this is how it looks now. This is your moon motif granny square and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video. Till then, bye. Have a great day.